Lots of folks back east, they say, are leaving home every day, beating the hot old dusty way to the California line. Across the desert sands they roll, they're getting out of the old Dust Bowl. They think they're headed for a sugar bowl, but this is what they find. Now the police at the Board of Entry say, you're number 14,000 for today. If you ain't got that do-re-mi, boy, ain't got that do-re-mi, you better go back to beautiful Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Georgia, Tennessee. California is a garden of Eden, a paradise to live in or see. Believe it or not, you won't find it so hot if you ain't got that do-re-mi. Wanna buy a home or a farm that can't do nobody harm, take a nice vacation by the mountains or the sea. Don't trade your cow in for a car, you better stay right where you are. Better take this little tip from me. I've been looking through the One Ads every day, and the headlines in the paper, they all say, if you ain't got that do-re-mi, got that do-re-mi, you better go back to beautiful Texas,